If you feel like your thoughts are running ahead of you, you maybe want to ground. And this short sequence I made with rituals is going to help you do that. It's a standing sequence, so you can do it anywhere, any time of the day. I hope you enjoy it. So let's start the sequence with a breathing exercise to come back to our concentration. You're going to place your thumb on your right nostril and you breathe in for 4 countings. Then you breathe out for 4 countings. Then we move to the other nostril. So breathing in, breathing out. Move your thumb on your right nostril and breathe in left. Breathe out left. Breathe in right. Breathe out right. Let's go on left and out. In right and out. In left and out. In right and out. In left and out. Last time. In right and out. And as you breathe out, you step out more than hip width apart, so maybe shoulder width apart. And then you bring your hands in a prayer position and you squat down for a nice goddess pose. Breathing in and out. Keep those 4 seconds. Breathing in one more time. And on your next inhale, you stretch out your legs. And as you exhale, you round down forward. Breathe in and out. One more time in and out. And as you inhale, you move over to the left side of your mat and you bend your left knee. Back foot is 45 degrees out. And then you lower down and you stretch out, looking up. And 2 more breaths here. Breathing in and out. And on your next inhale, you bring your hands in prayer position and balance on that left leg, stretching the right one out and stretching your hands out in front of you. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Bring that right foot next to your left one. Breathe in, reach up, and exhale, round down. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And on your next inhale, come all the way up again. Stretch out, and as you breathe out, you kick that right foot back again, and you stretch out towards the front. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And on your next inhale, you bring your right foot back again and you stretch up. Look in between your hands. And out. And in. And out. Come towards the middle again and round down. And then we'll move to the other side. So from here, as you breathe in, turn towards the right side and bend the right knee. Look up. And on your next inhale, stretch that knee out and kick your left foot to the back. towards the back, reaching towards the front. 2 breaths, in and out, in and out. Bring your foot next to each other, breathe in, reach up, exhale, lower down. Stay here, in, out, in, out. And as you inhale, come up again, reach up and kick that left foot back. In, out, in, out. Come down with that foot and bend your right knee again. Look in between your hands. And on your next inhale, come back towards the center. Round down one more time. And inhale, come up, bend both of your knees and squat for the last time. And then we end where we started. Then use your inhale to straighten your legs, bring back together. This was the end of the sequence. I hope you grounded some more. Hope to see you next time. Namaste.